So hello, hi, welcome back once again. So today we are going to talk about React Flow. So React Flow is basically one of the very good application. Let's say if when it's very good library. Sorry, when you want to create an application where you have something you can drag and drop, and at the same time you can merge anything. So like talking about how it will look like. So if I show you, these are some of the showcase which they have already added. So like you can add drag and drop, and you can add some conditional logics on the basis of these drag and drops, and this is quite amazing at the same time. And yeah, and React Flow automatically provides you very of the like many of the pre-built components for you already. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's work on this. So initially there was no tutorials, so I thought to create one because this was also part of one of my projects. So I thought it's good we talk about it. Okay, now let me just show you like before installation we do. So first thing is first we have to get to understand what things are what. So it will actually help us to in the coming up series, so what I will be talking. So most of you all already know. So this is a node, the black box which you see. So it has what I say handlers. The like it can be input and output. Okay, and yeah, and nodes are of multiple types. It can be an input node, it can be an output node, or it can be a default node. So when we have an input node, so only it will have only one, not this. So when we have an output node, it will have both. And when we have the default one, by default, like it will be shown like this. So it will have both input and output handlers at the top. So yeah, so this is what we call about the handles. If you see, there is input output input output, and the position has been set to top left, top right, bottom right, like this. Okay, now this is the same part which we are going to talk. Next is what we will talk about is the edge. So edge is what we connect from one input to one output, and this is how it will look like. And yes, all this have a common data value known as label. So this label will have this here, what is the text written, and this will have a what will be the text written on the edge. So there are multiple things which we'll be talking. So this is all about the installation. Now let me just show you a very quick installation. What you have to do is you have to do npm install React Flow, and that's it. So once you've done this, now let's go ahead and now let's show all of these components one by one, and we will talk about that in the next video.